Using a continuous wave CW laser cleaner to remove old paint and rust from trailer axles and wheel hubs has become a game-changing solution in the heavy equipment maintenance and refurbishment sector. This method offers a host of advantages over traditional cleaning processes, such as sandblasting, wire brushing, grinding, or chemical stripping. With its consistent power output, a CW laser is capable of delivering a steady, high-energy beam that efficiently removes surface contaminants while maintaining tight control over the depth and area of cleaning. This makes it ideal for use on complex geometries like those found on axles and hubs, where irregular contours, crevices, bolt holes, and delicate areas make traditional cleaning methods both labor-intensive and potentially damaging. In a recent practical application, a full trailer axle and wheel hub were cleaned using a CW laser system in just under 30 minutes. The laser removed several layers of paint, surface corrosion, and embedded grime without the use of any chemicals, abrasives, or water. The process was conducted with minimal setup and no masking, thanks to the laser's precision and non-contact nature. The component was left with a clean, bare metal surface that required no additional prep work before being recoated, which is crucial in maintaining adhesion quality and extending the lifespan of the new coating. If this same job were performed using conventional methods, the time and labor involved would have been significantly greater. The job could easily take between 2 and 5 hours, depending on the severity of the rust and number of paint layers. Manual sanding or grinding would take even longer and present the risk of uneven surface removal, tool marks, or potential damage to key structural features of the part. Furthermore, traditional methods create dust, debris, and noise pollution, requiring additional safety precautions and compliance with health and environmental regulations. Chemical stripping, another common method, brings its own challenges, requiring the use of hazardous substances, specialized disposal procedures, and lengthy dwell times to soften paint and corrosion. These chemicals can also seep into hard-to-reach areas and create cleanup difficulties, not to mention the added risk of chemical burns or skin irritation for workers. By contrast, CW laser cleaning is a dry, eco-friendly process that produces no secondary waste. The laser instantly vaporizes unwanted material, leaving behind only a light fume that can be safely extracted with proper ventilation. This not only reduces the risk of workplace hazards, but also minimizes cleanup and material waste. In addition, the level of control offered by CW lasers means operators can selectively clean just the areas needed, without affecting adjacent components or underlying substrate material. Another benefit of CW laser cleaning is the scalability and portability of the equipment. Many laser cleaning systems are now compact and mobile, allowing them to be deployed on site, whether in a workshop, service center, or directly at a fleet depot. This flexibility means that large components like trailer axles and hubs no longer need to be transported off-site for treatment, reducing handling time, logistical costs, and vehicle downtime. In conclusion, CW laser cleaning represents a significant advancement in the maintenance and restoration of heavy-duty vehicle components. It offers unmatched precision, speed, and safety, all while eliminating the mess, hazards, and inefficiencies associated with traditional methods. Thanks for your time, and please feel free to contact me for any additional information. Hope we can have an opportunity soon to discuss possible solutions. Have a great day.